there hasn't been a more exciting time to be in the energy industry. With the industry moving towards more sustainable and more efficient energy solutions to society, we are perfectly positioned to be part of our clients' energy transition journey.
Siong is an integrated engineering and maintenance provider with almost 53 years of experience, successfully operating in Southeast Asia with its headquarters located in Singapore. We are a proud engineering, maintenance, and turnaround partner to globally known industry leaders in the oil and gas and petrochemical sectors. Our multidisciplinary industrial support activities include piping, hydrojetting, retubing, blasting and coating, exchanger fabrication, valve, rotating equipment, instrument electrical, and turnaround maintenance projects.
Pegasus is the American subsidiary of Siong Engineering, a company based in Singapore. We have a state-of-the-art facility here in Illinois, focusing on clean technology for heat exchangers, especially ultrasonic technology. We also provide water jetting services, as well as heat exchanger and pressure vessel repair and fabrication.
Because we perform all those services, we're able to control the schedule and the cost. It's a one provider solution.
Pegasus wants to be your preferred engineering and maintenance support partner in the region. And there are three key ways that we're going to target that, with latest technologies that we have on hand, as well as utilizing the experience that we have of over 50 years of providing support in Southeast Asia. Lastly is also to utilize a good, diverse group of local resources from around this region.
One of our most innovative things, our assets at Pegasus, is our off-site automated bundle cleaning operation with our proprietary water recycling system. Our ultrasonic cleaning operation uses 75% less water than a typical wash slab. It's going to be safer, cleaner, and more eco-friendly than any other cleaning application out there. Historically, our Midwest clients have had to ship their engineered equipment all the way down to the Gulf Coast. Pegasus was strategically located to be an hour or less of all the major refineries. Your turnaround time of an hour to 2 hours will be much more beneficial to our clients versus 22-hour drive down to Beaumont, Texas or Houston.
We have a 60,000 square foot temperature control facility, which allows our workforce to work comfortably and safely throughout the year, regardless of the climate and temperature outside.
My expectation is for Pegasus to carry and expand Siong's strong reputation as a preferred maintenance and solution partner in US.
A benefit of having more than 50 years of experience in big name projects in Singapore is how we genuinely understand our needs and priorities of our clients. There are key focus of safety, reliability, and financial priorities are ingrained in our company culture as well, and we strongly believe that that will also be part of our key success story in Pegasus.
We'll carry our core values of becoming our American clients' preferred safe, dependable, and reliable service provider. We hope to continuously acquire new knowledge in the way we work to improve our group's ability to provide value-added services to our business partners around the world. The ability to work with some of the most committed employees in the world is something that I don't take lightly. It is very exciting to be a partner to the biggest global industry leaders that are working to deliver new and sustainable energy solutions to society.